My name is Lee Sasser with Powers Products Southwest, and we've had the pleasure to work with the New Mexico Museum of Natural History on replacing their two large skylights. One of them is behind me in this atrium, and we've got live plants underneath, so that was able to bring in a lot more newer, refresher natural light into the space to help the plants thrive. And then the larger skylight up front we did was a combination of two different materials. So it started out as a glass skylight, which they've had a lot of leaking. And again, I'm mindful both skylights are about 35 to 37 years old. The main skylight had glass, which it was leaking, and then they came in and they put a polycarb material over top of the glass. So what was happening is they were trapping that moisture in between the two panels, and you could see that the mold and the moisture and the mildew building up. So working with the museum and R&M Construction on these two projects, we were able to remove both skylights and replace with the Kalwall translucent panel skylight. So when we started, we actually started working with the museum on this skylight behind me almost 4 years ago, and kind of determining what needed to happen, if it was able to just get fixed or if it needed to get replaced, which then that conversation started to the other skylights. So from start, it's been 4, but start of construction, it was about a 2-month process from start to finish, replacing both skylights. So the original skylight here had no insulation in it. So it was a sandwich panel that had 0 insulation. So the solar heat gain that they were getting inside this room, unbeknownst to them, was way too much. And so they were having to run a lot more AC than they actually should have. So we were able to come in and we did a light study, and we determined that we could put insulation in these panels and still have these plants thrive. So we determined the U value and how much insulation we needed to put in. The main challenge, I would say, was the glass skylight, because there was 144 pieces of glass that were, each piece was about 8 foot by 4 foot. So we had to bring in a large crane and set up staging up on the roof and replace each piece of glass separately to remove it from the roof in order to put our Kalwall skylights on.